Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be making a large rope bowl. The rope that I have here is from the Dollar Tree. They have several different colors to choose from. I like to start out with my circle. I don't like to pin it because the pins get in my way, but you could pin it. I am using a zigzag stitch and I am using a wide stitch. Every once in a while you'll find a hole, just repair it while you still have an opportunity to do that. It's pretty easy to add on the next rope. If it doesn't stay in place, you could always pin it. Then I had the bottom the width that I wanted, and I decided to turn it and start the bowl process. As you slant the rope up, it will start to form the bowl. I decided to add that in there because it takes quite a bit of thread. This time I decided to put the pins in. I was fighting with it and decided that would make it a lot easier. And then once you get it to where you want it to be, I just measured out the sides for the handles where I wanted the handles to be, and then I just went around 3 times following that shape, and it worked really well. All right, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe. Thanks for watching.